Hello, mommies. Have you ever faced the situation that you bring a bowl of food for your baby, and then after having just 2 to 3 spoons, your baby starts their tantrums and throw their tantrums on you, and then you will try for half an hour, 45 minutes, and then you leave, and then you bring a glass of milk so that at least baby's tummy will get filled. Am I right? Please don't do that. That might leads to picky eating, or else baby also might get anemia. Yes, you heard it right, because baby will start having only milk because they are very smart, and then having milk is an easier way to fill their tummy. But when coming to the solids, they have to chew, they have to swallow, they have to explore different kinds of textures and food, so they think that milk is an easier way, so they does this every time. So whenever your baby is doing that, so just you can try for some time, and then you can leave the food. After half an hour, or after 45 minutes, or after 1 hour, you can try to offer some fruit. If you start giving the milk, then milk intake will be more, and then the food intake will become very less. This might leads to less intake of this iron rich foods, and then that might lead to anemia. And also, when you start introducing this cow's milk, the maximum amount of cow milk a baby can take is only 400 to 600 ml per day. If it is more than that, then that might lead to picky eating.